Greetings, welcome. Sanjuni College of Engineering, Kopargaon, Department of Information Technology. Subject Machine Learning and Applications. Topic Impurity Measure, Gini Index and Entropy by Dr. Mahendra Bigoli, Associate Professor. Let me stick with the same point, Gini Index and Entropy, with another example. Example is very simple. Please kindly concentrate over here. We have grade, bumpiness, speed limit and speed as a column names. If you will observe the following line or below line, you will come to know that the grades are steep, steep, flat, steep, bumpiness, bumpiness and smooth, speed limit yes, yes, no, no, and speed slow, fast. The last field shows the class or category. And how many categories are here? Two. Which are those? Slow and fast. The condition is like this. If we found all these three labels or three variables, we classify it as a slow. If we found these all three features, we classify it as a slow. When we found these all three labels, we classify it as a fast. When we found all these we classify it as a fast. So how we can do it? Let me see. Grade feature. In grade column, there are four values and correspond that values them are four labels. Let's consider all four labels in such a way that SSFF means slow, fast as a parent node. So what is the entropy of this particular parent? There are two types, slow and fast. Probability of slow, 2 items found out of the total 4, that is a 0.5. Probability of fast, 2 items found out of the 4, that is a 0.5. So entropy of the parent node, entropy parent is equal to minus summation of probability of slow into log of P slow plus probability of fast log probability of fast. So we have just put at the values that we recently calculated, and at the end entropy of the parent is a 1. Now let's explore how decision tree algorithm construct a decision tree based on information gain. First, let's check whether the parent node split by grade or not. If the information gain from grade features is greater than all other features, then parent node can be split by the grade. So SFFF is our parent node and steep SSF and flat F. What is the meaning of this one? Now we need to find out entropy of both the child classes nodes. Entropy of the right side node F is 0 because in example this node belongs to the same class. Class node SSF is equal to P slow is equal to 2 divided by 3 means 0.067. Probability of fast is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 0.034. What is the meaning of how we can calculate this one? There are 3 atoms, out of that 2 are slow, so that probability of slow is a 2 by 3. There are 3 atoms, out of that 1 is a fast, so that is probability is 0.034. So the entropy of this SSF is minus, we are just putting the values into the formula that we saw in last presentation or last slide. 0.067 log of 0.067 plus 0.334 log of 0.334. At the end we received this particular value 0.9. Formula of entropy children with weighted average is nothing but weighted average into entropy children equal to number of examples in left child divided by total number of examples in parent node into entropy of left node plus number of examples in right child node divided by total number of examples in parent node into entropy of right node. So weighted average is equal to children is equal to 3 by 4 into 0.9 plus 1 by 4 into 0, that is a 0.675. So the information gain we are let me calculate here. Entropy of parent minus weighted average into entropy of children, that we are calculated over here. Information gain from the grade feature is 0.325. So the decision tree algorithm choose the highest information gain to split the decision tree. Information gain from the bumpiness. So let me move to the second column. So the SSFF is our root node, and on the basis of the steep and flat we divide this particular SF. Entropy of the left and right child node is 1. So entropy children with weighted average for bumpiness. Weighted entropy children 2 by 4 into 1 plus 2 by 4 into 1 is equal to 1. Information gain bumpiness equal to 0, Ig grade equal to 0.325. Information gain from speed limit. Next column. So on the basis of the yes and no, we calculate here the SS and FF. So the entropy of the left and right node equal to 0 because all of the example in this node belongs to the same class. Entropy children speed limit. Weighted average into entropy children is equal to 2 by 4 into 0 plus 2 by 4 into 0 means 0. So the information gain speed limit equal to 1 minus 0, 1. So this particular term says that information gain for grade is the 0.325. Information gain for bumpiness is equal to 0 and information gain for speed limit is equal to 1. As a decision tree algorithm construct decision tree based on features have highest information gain. So the speed limit has highest information gain. So at the end, yes speed limit is equal to slow and no speed limit is equal to fast. This is the final tree that we have formed. In this information gain and entropy, we have seen the algorithm, and on the basis of that particular algorithm, mathematical problem, we have formed the tree. Thank you.